Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you happen to be interested in learning how to start your own online business to increase your income and have someone guide you through the process of starting that business, check out the link in the description below. And with that said, I got something in the mail and I'm very excited about it too. It came in this UPS extremely urgent envelope. And as you can see right here, it's from Amex GCI Mail. I'm not sure what GCI means, but I'm assuming that the C probably stands for cards because this is my brand new business gold card from American Express. It was expedited without me even having asked for it. In fact, when I got approved for the card, they actually sent me an email saying, congrats, welcome to the card. And then as it started shipping, they sent me an email showing me the status of that. And when it was delivered, I even got a push notification to my phone saying that the card had arrived. So if anybody from Amex's marketing and or development teams is listening out there, thank you for making such an awesome experience from both the app and the email perspective. Really, really cool to be able to track your card coming to you and knowing when it will actually hit your mailbox. So I just got my scissors and some more post-it notes. That way we can do a full unboxing of the Amex Business Gold Card and cover up all those sensitive details because I'm not gonna put my credit card number for all to see across YouTube because, at least for me, that's not what YouTube is for. Because I know there's some people out there who would take my 15 digits right to the Gucci store and buy some new loafers and a handbag. You know who you are. Anyway, on to the unboxing. Such a nice sound, especially when you know a metal credit card's inside. Apparently, Amex does not want me to do business without it. Covering up that address. But if you'd like to see American Express's address, there it is, all the way from Omaha, Nebraska. Here's the envelope that the card comes in. Inside that overnight envelope or 2-day envelope, whatever that was, it was very quick. So now I'm going to pull out all the documents from the inside. There's the envelope on display for you. Need some more sticky notes. Okay, so here are all the papers that come with it that I know you guys don't care about. So I'm going to put those over there, and we'll come back to a few points on that in just a minute. But I know what you all want to see is actually this right here. My card is attached to it actually, so I'm going to unfold this document. And there we have it, the American Express Business Gold Card right there. I'll go ahead and pull this off. Another satisfying sound. Take off the front sticker. Oh yeah. Get some more sticky notes. And now show you what the card looks like. Here's a first-hand view of it. It's a very shiny front, like metallic in nature. The back is a matte color, does not shine nearly as much. And if you can see the edge here of the card as well, there is a metal strip in the middle. So it's basically a metal piece of the card with a matte plastic back kind of sandwiched together. So very nice looking card. I love the professional sleek design that their business cards have. So I'm gonna clear this mess over a little bit, put the card right up here for you to see it, and then go back to a few of these papers here. These you definitely won't be interested in. That's just, yeah, let it fall to the ground. Basically, you know, size 10 font, terms, conditions, all those tiny things. But the cool part is on this sheet here. Let me make sure there's no information that I can't reveal. My name, my account ending in 01001, basically like every American Express card. Yeah, so here's the sheet here in case you want to see that. This is a charge card, not a credit card. Basically, there's no preset limit on the card. But it adjusts with your spending habits over time. So even though it's a charge card and the full balance is due at the end of every single billing cycle, if you will, there is a thing called pay over time. And that's basically a feature that's added to American Express charge cards, which allows a certain balance to function like it's on a credit card. So you can pay that balance over time with an interest rate, even though the entire card itself is still a charge card with the balance due in full. So it's basically a way to activate or flip a switch, turn on pay over time, and then carry a balance from month to month, which I never recommend because My pay over time balance, as you probably just saw, was 18.24%. You don't want to be paying that. But I'm just letting you know, in the case of an emergency or something and cash got super tight for 1 or 2 months and you had to float a balance briefly, there you go. You can do it with a charge card as soon as you enroll in pay over time, which I believe Amex auto enrolls you in now anyway. But if you do not have any cash flow shortages with your business, just pay your balance off in full before the due date every single month. For those of you who may need to use the feature, it also shows your pay over time limit. So mine is $5,000 for that specific feature. The annual membership fee on this card is $295. There are no foreign transaction fees, which is great. And of course, there's some late payment or return payment fees as well. You want to avoid those like you would with any other card, of course. But now that you've seen this card from far away and you've seen this card up close, I'm sure there are still some of you out there who would appreciate to hear the card in action with some drop tests. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's see if we can hit the ceiling and then have it come down from there and then hit the table and do a double drop test. Or I guess that would be an up test. Whatever you call it, I've got about 6 or 7 inches worth of room to get it back on this table. So here we go. All right, great success. Oh yeah, bathtub for the win. Okay, now that I've learned that the bathtub is the best drop for your credit cards, I'm gonna actually take this one and do my best to launch it from here against the back wall back into the bathtub and see if we can have like a waterfall drop effect. Are you ready? Oh yeah. That was good. That was real good. Oh, and also, if you happen to have a paper shredder at home and it says that you can shred credit cards, that's cool, but only if they're plastic. If you've got a metal card, don't put that in here. That would cause a lot of problems. Also, if you wear ties to work, make sure that you don't do your ties either. That's a really bad idea. And same with aerosol spray cans. Don't put those inside your tiny paper shredder. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, or at least give them some fun, quality entertainment, then help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Then also be sure to check out the links in the description below. One of them will allow you to apply for any American Express card that interests you, and the other one will actually show you how to start your own online business and have me coach you through the process. With all that said, if you enjoy unboxing videos, let me know in the comments down below. Also be on the lookout for another video coming on this card. I will do a full in-depth video review of the American Express Gold Card as well, to go over the features, the benefits, the points, all those types of things, so that way you can help make a decision to determine if it's a great fit for your wallet, your business, or not. Because as much fun as we have on this channel, I also like to provide you with some education. Thank you for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.